Best AI mastermind group for beginners. If you're beginning and you're worried about, you've got FOMO, that you're worried that you don't know enough about the large language models and you don't know enough and you're not being kept up to date with regards to artificial intelligence, I strongly recommend that you go and sign up to the AI Profit Boardroom, which is a Skool community, and in my opinion, it's the most active and brilliant group that there is out there. But Julian, I want to ask you a question specifically for beginners. What bit of advice would you give if they go and sign up to the AI Profit Boardroom and it looks very daunting, because there is some advanced strategies in there as well, but there's specifically a beginner. What advice would you give to someone who's first starting out trying to understand how they could be using AI agents, agentic SEO, or anything along those lines? What bit of advice would you give to a beginner?
Yeah, so if you're a beginner, the best way to get the most out of this AI automation mastermind is to ask lots of questions, be open to learning, be open to connecting. The great thing about the community is we're all here. It's just positivity and it's just everyone helping each other learn and grow. So ask questions, post comments, like people's posts, and you'll get the most out of the mastermind for sure.
Yeah, I think for me, the best bit of advice for beginners that's looking to learn artificial intelligence is begin. Right? Take action. So the fact that you're saying you're a beginner, in my opinion, you could be a procrastinator. The fact that you've not already started it. So go out there and start learning. Go and set up a brand new domain and go and play around with it if you're an SEO and you want to learn. Go and build some websites and put it on Cloudflare pages with using Claude. Go and build some raw HTML sites. Go and build some within WordPress using Claude or Codex with ChatGPT. Go and sign up to Hermes and OpenClaw and play around with them. Just go and start doing them all, and then you then can start not only asking all the questions, which is very important for you to do, but actually providing value back. And then you're going to get connections back with people, and people could start direct messaging you, and that could be your next business partner. So if you're looking for opportunity and looking to grow your career, not only could it be that you could find your next employer if you want to be an employee and learn, you could find your next business partner. I think that's also key as well. But for beginners, get started, take the action, start listening to what other people are saying, start implementing. The AI Profit Boardroom is there. It is perfect for beginners. It's so active. It's brilliant for people just to get in there and get going. Is there anything else that you would say with regards to the Skool group of the AI Profit Boardroom beginners should be looking to do?
Yeah, so also if you're a beginner, don't try to do everything at once, right? Like, don't let yourself get overwhelmed. There's a lot going on with AI automation. There's new tools, there's new techniques, there's Hermes, there's OpenClaw, there's Claude, whatever. But really, as a beginner, you just want to stay focused on one thing at a time. Take your time, enjoy the journey.
Yeah, for sure. So if anyone wants to sign up to the AI Profit Boardroom, they're looking for the best AI agent community or mastermind, specifically for beginners. How can they go about signing up to the AI Profit Boardroom?
So you can join the AI Profit Boardroom community via Skool at aiprofitboardroom.com, and you can get access to the Skool community there for beginners.
Well, I want to end this, Julian, by saying I absolutely love everything you're doing for the community. I love everything of what you're putting out there on the YouTube channels. The group specifically for the AI Profit Boardroom, in my opinion, is by far the best AI community that there is in the world. And I'd like to thank you for putting it together and connecting all those people that are looking to advance their artificial intelligence skills. So thank you very much.
Thank you.